Hey guys, this is Mrs. C, and I have your Greek alphabet challenge for you. Right in front of you, what you see is a table, and the table has 24 spaces for the 24 letters of the Greek alphabet. I have actually put in several of the letters of the Greek alphabet, but they are in Greek. So these are the Greek letters for those. Some of them are capital, some of them are lowercase. And what I want you to do, anywhere you see a Greek symbol or a Greek letter, those are also used in math or science or engineering for certain purposes. And what I did was I picked the most popular. Almost the entire Greek alphabet is used somewhere in either math, science, or engineering. But I want you to just use these. These are the most popular ones. You already researched that for me, and you have found the common uses for Greek letters with relationship to the maths and the sciences. And so now's the time to actually tell me what they do. So in your chart that you're making for yourself in class, you're going to swap in, and instead of the letter, you're going to tell me just in general, very basic, how that letter is used in math. Now, wherever you do not see anything written, for example, here, I want to know, what is that letter? What is the Greek letter that is missing? And you do not, no, you did not have to memorize the Greek symbols. You can just spell the actual word. And now if I go back, I did not ask you to do that to the red letters, so I could just say, for example, if it was one of the question marks, I'm just going to erase that for a minute. What is the first letter of the Greek alphabet? You already know it. I am sure you already know it. And let me just make it a little bit tinier. Hang on, a little bit of adjustment here. I'm almost there. Hang on. Sorry. You would write alpha. Okay, but you're not the red ones. The red ones you're going to write in your chart in class. You're going to write what the mathematical use is, how it's being used. You're going to write the actual word, like alpha, in the ones where you see all the question marks. So let me just, real quick, hold on one second. Okay, I cleaned it up a little bit, put alpha back where it belongs, so that now we all know that is the symbol for alpha. And I think it looks a little bit like a cursive D. I've always had trouble with that myself. Anyway, so just to recap one more time, wherever you currently see red lettering, that is the Greek symbol for the letter in the alphabet. That is the Greek letter in Greek. And you are going to write the mathematical application, how it's used. Wherever you see nothing, you are going to actually spell out the word or the letter of the alphabet, like, for example, alpha. You would actually write, so here, whatever comes after this goes right here. You're just going to write the word, write the word, write the word, the word, the word, the bird is the word, so the bird, the bird is the word. And there's that one. That one's pi. I don't think I'm giving away anything telling you that. You're going to tell me the mathematical purpose of it. Another word, word. Okay, I think it's pretty clear, but I wanted to make sure you understood. Now, to make things even easier for you, on the name, okay, I don't even know what's going on. Hang on, let me see. There we are. On the next page, I gave you somewhat of a little, kind of like a little answer bank or an answer key. These are their uses, but they're out of order, and I'm not telling you whose use is which, and some of them are used repeatedly. So if you noticed, there were how many? I think we said 10, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 symbols here, and notice there's only 2, 4, 6, 7 here. That means there is repetition in this area here. These are going to be used more than once. So maybe they're only used once, but maybe some of these symbols are used more than once for the same thing. That's up to you to figure out in your research. So you can abbreviate. Of course, you don't have to write all of this in a tiny little square, but I was just trying to help you out a little bit with the wording. I know these definitions, especially anybody who went on Wikipedia to try to get some insight in Greek symbols used in mathematics, you probably got a whole lot more than you bargained for. So anyway, this is your mission. working together in your groups, you're going to try to complete this table in time to turn it into me before the end of the period. See you on the flip side. Actually, before I totally leave, I was thinking of doing something kind of cool and maybe a tiny bit sneaky, but sneaky in a good way. Normally, after I finish posting a video, what I do is I send it to YouTube. That takes maybe about 5 minutes to upload. Then YouTube has to approve it. That takes another 5 minutes. And then probably within 10 minutes from when I started, that video is out. But it's Sunday night right now, Sunday afternoon, 5 o'clock. If I post it now, anybody who actually subscribed to my YouTube channel is going to see this activity before they come into class. That means that anybody who actually did what I said to do, which was to subscribe over the weekend, you actually see the activity that I'm going to have you do in class. So you could actually do all the research at home on the computer, know exactly what you have to figure out, and just come in ready to turn this activity in. Wow. I don't know if anybody's actually going to do that or pay attention to the notice that I actually posted something, but it's going to be interesting to find out who is really in it to win it. So I can't wait to find out, because you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go post this right now. Now, see what happens. See you on the flip side.